I used to think I didn't need an electric can opener. Until one small moment changed everything. It was a busy evening. I was cooking, my hands were messy, and I needed to open a can quickly. I grabbed my manual opener. That's when I decided to try something different. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Honestly, I didn't expect much at first. But I was wrong. The first time I used it, I just placed it on top of the can, pressed one button, and done. No force needed, no struggle, no sharp edges. It moved smoothly around the lid, all by itself. Completely hands-free. Just a few seconds later, the lid came off perfectly. Clean cut, no jagged edges, no mess. Just simple, fast, and safe. And here's why it's so convenient. With just one press, you can open cans easily, without using any strength. Perfect for seniors, or anyone with weak hands. The blade is smart. It cuts a cordless design, battery-operated, lightweight and compact. You can use it anywhere, in the kitchen, or even outdoors. Very comfortable to hold, easy to use design, even if you have limited hand strength. It's not just a tool, it's also a thoughtful gift. Perfect for loved ones, especially seniors. It makes cooking easier, saves time, saves effort. Just one small note. Now, opening cans is no longer a struggle. Just one simple press. If you're still using a manual opener, maybe it's time to upgrade. Because once you try this, you won't go back. Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. Simple, safe. If you're looking for a can opener that is simple and reliable, this one might surprise you. Today, I'm reviewing the KitchenAid Classic Multifunction Can Opener. A basic kitchen tool, but something you'll use almost every day. First impression, it feels solid, not too heavy, but definitely well built. You can tell right away, this is made to last. Let's talk about cutting performance. It comes with a razor-sharp stainless steel cutting wheel, and you can feel it. It pierces the can easily, and slices smoothly. Every time, no slipping, no struggle. Next, the turning knob. This is one of my favorite features. It's oversized, easy to grip, and turns smoothly with very little effort. The handles, soft, ergonomic, and comfortable. Designed to fit your hand naturally, so you can open multiple cans without strain. Another plus, it's a 2-in-1 tool. It includes a built-in bottle opener. One tool, two functions. For everyday use, it's very versatile, works with different can sizes, and bottle caps too. Overall performance? Smooth, stable, reliable, but now, let's compare it with the Kitchen Mama Auto Electric Can Opener. First, how it works. KitchenAid, second, effort. KitchenAid, requires some hand strength. Third, power source. KitchenAid, no batteries needed, always ready to use. Fourth, safety. KitchenAid. Fifth, durability. KitchenAid, simple mechanical design, very durable, long-lasting. So in the end, KitchenAid is best if you want simple, durable, no batteries needed. Kitchen Mama is better if you want convenience, hands-free use, modern experience.